Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Karen MDA, and in this tutorial today I'm going to be showing you my new hair dryer that I just purchased recently, and I'm very excited to show you guys about this amazing blow dryer. I know the price is definitely a little bit outrageous for this unit, but it is absolutely worth it if you blow dry your hair like me, or if you just use any hot tools to dry your hair. This one is actually the best. And so far what I've noticed with this dryer, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It is this one. So I recently got the Dyson Supersonic blow dryer, and it does cut about half an hour of me drying my hair. And another thing that I like about this unit is that it does not burn my scalp. So I can actually get really close to my scalp, close to my hair, and it does not burn. So that's one thing I like about this unit. So this is what it looks like. And then in the back, so it just kind of tells you more about the blow dryer, the technology behind the blow dryer, how it's designed differently than our regular blow dryers that we have. And the motor, I think, is it the motor? Yeah. So the motor in the blow dryer is not like in our other ones that is like in the back. That's why it's so bulky. So the one in the Dyson is actually in the handle. So this is where the motor is. So this is kind of neat that it actually tells you about this blow dryer. And I do think it is definitely important to educate ourselves what type of product we're getting, because it's definitely not cheap. So I did take my time and I did read up about the Dyson. Anyways, I don't want to continue talking, and I'm sure you guys are pretty anxious to see what it looks like. And I'm thinking this up here, the little silver, it's the style number. So mine is in the black, and I had to order the black one because they didn't have it in stock. So it's just a white box, Dyson right on the other side. And so the box looks like this. And of course I already used it. I had to make sure that this unit was working fine, everything was working fine, which it does. So I kind of pushed it back, everything how it came. So this is what the unit looks like. So it is in the black. And it comes with a diffuser. And then it comes with the other two. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure what you call that. So it does come with those two little, yeah. However you call those, I'm not too sure. Yeah, so it looks like this, and then so it comes in here with the serial number. Then if you have any questions at all about the blow dryer, there's a phone number, and then you have your plug-in. The plug-in is definitely quite of a different plug-in. And then it comes with this too. So I'm not too sure what this is. It's just part of the dryer. And then I'm going to get the dryer out so you guys can see it. So this is what the dryer looks like. And it's super light. I do like how light it is. I'm not going to take this plastic that came with. I'm not going to take it off. So I'm just going to leave it because it really doesn't interfere much with the blow dryer. And then of course you have your on and off button, which is this one here that I'm pushing. That's your on and off. This one is for like the cool, so if you want the airflow to be more cool. The red one here, so this is for the heat control, and then this is the airflow control. And it's quite powerful. So when I first used it, I used it in the 1 setting, and then if I want more faster results, then you can go to the 2nd setting, which I had it in the 2nd setting. And for me, the 2nd setting was just good. I don't think I would go to the third setting. Same thing with the heat. I was pretty happy with the second setting. If you want it more hotter, then you can get up to the third setting for the heat. So yeah, and it does not burn your scalp. You guys, it doesn't burn your scalp. It does not burn your hair. And it does dry your hair faster. For me, it does, because I blow dry my hair. I do the blowout. I don't just, use it and just dry my hair like that. And it takes me an hour. With my old dryer, it takes me an hour. With this, it actually takes me half an hour. And I'm pretty impressed by this amazing blow dryer. So I do love it. I am in love with it. Thing about it is magnetic. So it's no struggle at all to get your diffuser in there, and then you can just use it. That is so cool that it's magnetic, so you don't have to like wrestle with it like the other blow dryer that you have to you don't have to wrestle with this one at all. So it's one nice thing about it. I'm gonna blow dry my hair with you guys. You guys probably want to hear what it sounds like because it is pretty quiet. So I plugged the dryer in. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm not too sure if it's gonna be loud for over the camera. It's not loud at all for me. It's actually quite quiet compared to the other blow dryers. Okay, here we go. So yeah, and then these are the settings here. Did you leave my hair crazy? Alrighty everyone, so I'm just gonna take the blow dryer out of the packaging. As you can see, my hair is wet. And just showing you one last time what it kind of looks like. And then I will be taking one of the pieces. I'm gonna be adding that. It just makes it a lot easier when I blow dry my hair. I will be using my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is Fast Food by AG. It prevents breakage and it gives moisture to your hair. And I'm just absolutely in love with this product. I've been using this product for about 3 years now. And I will definitely continue using Fast Food. Next that I will be using is Kenra. It's a heat protectant, although the Dyson blow dryer, it's supposed to be really good and not damaging for your hair. And I will be taking all the knots out of my hair, and I'm going to section my hair because I blow dry my hair section by section, so it does take me a little bit longer. But with this blow dryer, it literally speeds everything up, which I do love it. So that is the airflow control. I'm gonna switch a couple times during the video. The heat will remain the same. It'll be in the second setting. And if you guys don't know how to do a blowout, this is a way that you could do a blowout to your hair and it creates more volume. And one thing that I've noticed with the Dyson blow dryer, I do get more volume than my regular blow dryer. I don't get as much volume. Also, it's lightweight. I love how lightweight it is. So that section dried super fast and quick for me. Normally I'd still be drying it. So I'm just gonna move on to the next sections. actually get really close to your hair because it is not damaging. It does not damage your hair. Another thing about this blow dryer, you guys, is that it does not overheat, so it doesn't get super hot. It doesn't get super hot in the room at all, so this is going to be fantastic for me for summer. And just technically all year round, this blow dryer, it's just amazing. I'm actually just loving it. I have no negative feedback about it. The only thing is just it's pricey. But honestly, you guys, for me, this was totally worth it. And I'm just switching the airflow just to the one. On the next section of my hair, I'm gonna switch the airflow to the second setting. Alrighty, so my hair is just about dried. So my hair is completely dried right now. I'm just giving it a little bit of a texture. And I'm going to be using the ceramide capsules. It's actually like a facial serum, but you can definitely use it on your hair. I like it because it does control a little bit of the frizz. And then the rest I normally just put it on my face, like later on at night when I wash my face. But I am loving this on my hair, you guys. Definitely loving it on my hair. Now the next step that I'm going to be showing you, I call it the wrap. And what the wrap does, it smooths out your hair. It gives a little bit of much more smoother texture to the hair instead of just adding more heat like a straightener, which I don't normally use a straightener. I just do the wrap. I even sleep with the wrap, or if I wash my hair that day, I will leave the wrap on all day if I'm going out, just for like 5 minutes. For this video, it's just 5 minutes to give it a little bit of that smooth texture. And just with a silk scarf, I'm just gonna tie a knot. Five minutes, we're gonna leave it on. We're gonna remove it. As you can see, the texture is a lot smoother. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more videos for you guys in English. I do have a review in the Dyson in Spanish. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got to learn a little bit of my tips on the Dyson blow dryer.